Nah.
Me the pink.
Crazy, man.
If you've ever dreamed of performing a world-class gambling demonstration without difficult sleights, hours of knuckle-busting practice, or memorizing a stack, welcome to Super Showdown, created by the legendary Nick Trost.
That's f***ing crazy.
Super Showdown takes the timeless 10-card poker deal plot and explodes it into a four-face miracle machine that's self-working, devastating, and pure showmanship. In the first phase, you deal out 5 poker hands. The other 4 players all receive poor cards, and you win easily with the only good hand. I dealt myself a full house. So we have the 2, you see? In the second phase, 5 hands are dealt again, but this time, any spectator may trade their cards with yours. Keep it or switch.
Switch.
To keep it interesting, all 4 spectators have better hands, yet you still win. This is the one you wanted me to have.
Yeah, switched it.
And that's why I have technically a flush, which beats out every single one.
So if I would have just left it here,
You would have won. Let's try it again. In the third phase, turn up the ante by playing head-to-head poker with one of your spectators. Do you want the top or the bottom?
bottom.
They select their hand and your hand from face-down cards. Do you want to keep these cards or you want to switch them with mine? I don't want the win to...
I stay with this
You
one.
stay with this
I
one?
stay with this one.
No matter what cards they choose, you still win.
You could have switched. You could have switched, but you didn't.
In the final phase, the 2 stud hands are dealt.
Do you want any of my face-up cards to be switched with any of your face-up cards?
Yes,
Which one?
king.
Okay.
Okay, now I have a hand.
Now, do you want to switch the face-down card with me, or you want to keep the one you have?
I want to switch it.
You want to switch it.
Yeah.
Do you want my hand?
No,
You want your hand.
I would like to keep my hand.
You chose everything.
I know. I have the winning hand here.
Let's see. Oh, 3 kings.
Trips. 3 kings.
3 kings.
3 kings.
But this is the hand you did not want. You wanted it for me. And what I have is a full house.
Even if you're not into gambling presentations, we teach you how to frame this as a full-blown psychological routine that will leave your audiences stunned.
I will give you the option to switch with my entire hand with your
Nah,
entire
I'm
hand.
gonna stay with mine.
You're gonna stay with yours?
Yep. Yeah, I'll take the trips.
Let's see what I have. I have full house.
Get away. Man, what the hell?
You chose everything. You chose my cards and you
I
chose
couldn't
your.
even get that.
It's self-working, but feels like expert card mastery.
You should have switched.
I've thought about it, but then, nah.
It builds phase by phase into an epic, impossible finale.
Me the pink.
Crazy, man.
A 4-phase experience
How did you do that?
You
How
did.
did you did that?
they'll never forget.
I have goosebump. I have goosebump. Look at that.
This is Super Showdown by Nick Trost.